Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to convert image into Word document. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to convert image into Word document. Okay, here this is the image that we want to convert to Word document. Then just open the Word document. After that, click Insert and then Pictures. Insert pictures from this device or stock image or online pictures. I have picture in this device. And then the location is desktop. Okay, here is the picture. After that, click File and then Save As, and then click Browse, and then select the location where you want to save it. Okay, desktop, and file name, give a name. Okay, for example, new project, and then save as type, select PDF. After that, click Save. Okay, now it's saved as PDF. Okay, now to open the PDF in Word documents. Okay, now to open the PDF in Word documents, click File. After that, Open, then Browse. Okay, and here you can see new project PDF. This is the PDF file. Okay, click on it. And now you see here, Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. Yeah, just click OK. Yeah, it's done. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to convert image to Word document. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.